1987 Chevy Camaro with a small block. What we got done on it for you guys today. It's got 2.5-inch pipe, a high flow catalytic converter, then continues 2.5 all the way back. We did a whole new system on it with a FLOWMASTER. Was it an 80 series, I think? Yeah. 80 series cross flow Camaro muffler, they call it, into 2.25 tailpipes and 4-inch roll tips there and there. As you guys can see, came out really pretty. Tell us what you guys think in the comments about it. There it is with the high flow cat and everything else. Came out nice. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Not too loud. Go ahead. The sound decibel 97.6. Hope you guys like it. Let us know what you think in the comments.